Hi, welcome to Corporate Tax Day 94. Today we are going to see the overview of the corporate tax return. A taxable person is required to submit a tax return and pay any corporate tax due to the FTA within 9 months of the end of its tax period. A tax return must be submitted by a taxable person or another person who has a right to do so on behalf of the taxable person. This includes a tax agent or a legal representative. Where the taxable person is a tax group, the parent company of the tax group is required to file the tax return on behalf of the tax group. A tax return comprises of several parts. The parts of the tax return includes Part A, taxable person information, Part B, elections, Part C, accounting schedules, Part D, accounting adjustments and exempt income, Part E, reliefs, Part F, other adjustment, Part G, tax liability and tax credits, and Part H, review and declaration, Part I, schedules. In Imara tax, the taxable person should only see the fields and schedules which may be applicable to them. In other words, a taxable person would not see each and every field which appears above. If the taxable person believes a field is relevant to them but it does not appear their tax return, the taxable person needs to ensure that the information which they have provided during the tax registration process was correct. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.